Cinder block planters have become a popular choice for gardeners and DIY enthusiasts looking for an affordable and creative way to display their plants. These versatile planters offer a range of benefits that makes them an attractive option for both indoor and outdoor gardens. One of the key advantages of cinder block planters is their affordability. Cinder blocks are readily available and relatively inexpensive compared to traditional planters. This makes them a budget-friendly option for those looking to add a touch of style to their garden without breaking the bank. Cinder block planters are also highly customizable. Their modular design allows for endless possibilities in terms of configuration and arrangement. You can stack the blocks in different patterns to create unique shapes and heights, giving your garden a personalized and artistic touch. Additionally, the hollow openings in the blocks can be filled with soil, providing multiple planting pockets for various plants. Another benefit of cinder block planters is their durability. Made from a mixture of cement, sand, and aggregate, cinder blocks are known for their strength and resilience. This can withstand different weather conditions and are resistant to rotting or deteriorating over time. This ensures that your planters will last for years even in harsh outdoor environments. Cinder block planters also offer excellent drainage. The hollow cavities in the blocks allow excess water to escape, preventing waterlogged soil and potential root rot. This promotes healthier plant growth and reduces the risk of overwatering. When using cinder blocks as planters, it's important to consider the weight and stability of the structure. The blocks can be heavy, especially when filled with soil and plants, so ensure that the foundation is sturdy and level to prevent any accidents or toppling. In terms of aesthetic, cinder block planters can provide a contemporary and industrial look to your garden. The raw and rough texture of the blocks adds a unique visual appeal that complements a variety of garden styles. In conclusion, cinder block planters offer an affordable, customizable, and durable option for displaying your plants. Their versatility, excellent drainage, and distinctive aesthetic make them a popular choice for gardeners seeking a creative and cost-effective way to enhance their outdoor or indoor spaces. With some imagination and a few cinder blocks, you can transform your garden into a unique and eye-catching oasis.